The National Commission for Culture and the Arts is encouraging individuals and organizations to come up with projects that promote a strong sense of pride in nationhood and being a Filipino. The full report from Benice Teixeira.
Rich with diverse traditions and blessed with talents, the Filipinos have long been bound together by culture, promoting unity amongst our people. Aiming to even strengthen and promote culture as a leader for unity and development, the National Commission for the Culture and Arts invites individuals, LGUs, and NGOs to submit their project proposals. With their 21st century vision of Filipino culture as a wellspring of national and global well-being, NCCA looks for projects that will establish culture as a leader of sustainable development and creativity.
Yun ay yung sa preservation of culture, conservation of our heritage, yung training sa iba't ibang larangan, no? Training on literary, arts writing, music, production ng drama. Every year talaga yun.
The NCCA Grants Program for 2014 provides support to organizations or individuals who will propose projects aligned with the priorities of the 19 NCCA committees. NCCA looks for projects that promote a strong sense of pride in nationhood and being Filipino through culture and arts in line with the priorities of the committees. Culture being so important in Filipino society, NCCA calls for more attention government, especially since it wasn't mentioned in Pinoy SONA.
Well, in the past, talagang wala pa yata presidente na nag-pick up sa kanilang SONA, no, about culture and arts. Nalulungkot kami doon, pero with this cultural roadmap na hiningi sa amin ni Pinoy, we're hoping na dito sa kanyang SONA for this year ay ma-incorporate na yung kultura. No? Kasi ang kultura naman ay yung kung paano tayo nabubuhay. Hindi naman yan puro sining lang di ba? What we do, our beliefs, our knowledge, our values, yun yung kultura.
NCCA will approve 3 projects from Luzon, 3 in Visayas, and 5 from Mindanao. Deadline for the submission of project proposals and requirements is on August 31, 2013. For People's Television, Benice Teixeira.